Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
The chart toolbar will display automatically after you've finished creating a chart. If you happen to have a chart embedded within a spreadsheet, note that when you click into the spreadsheet area, the chart toolbar will disappear. You can typically view it again by simply selecting the chart object. However, sometimes you may close this toolbar while using it in a chart. You can display the toolbar by right-clicking on any viewable toolbar or selecting View Toolbars from the menu bar, and then just select the Chart toolbar from the list provided. Review the buttons on the Chart toolbar as they will assist you in formatting and changing your chart's options after you've completed creating the chart. The first button on the Chart toolbar is called Chart Objects. It contains a listing of almost every selectable object within your chart. You can select a chart element by simply clicking it or by selecting its name from the drop-down list that appears when you click this button. So for example, if I chose Legend, you can see the legend becomes selected within the chart. When you're working with different chart objects later, it will be useful to note that the chart area selection from this drop-down menu will select the entire chart. It's equal to clicking into the blank area in a chart to select the chart area. All of the other listing in this button's drop-down menu are the objects within the chart, like the category axis, the legend, the data table, the series, and so forth. After the Chart Objects button is the Format Chart Objects button. You can use this button to bring up a dialog box where you can format the currently selected chart element. The button to the right of that on the Chart toolbar is the Chart Type button, which allows you to click the small drop-down to the right and pick a new chart type to use. The next button, Legend, will turn the legend on and off in your selected chart each time you click it. You can click the Data Table button to also toggle on and off the visibility of the data table in your chart. You can use the By Row or By Column button in the Chart toolbar to determine whether or not the data is plotted by the columns or rows in your source spreadsheet. If you happen to have a text-related object selected in your chart, such as a grid line, then the angle clockwise and angle counterclockwise buttons at the end of the chart toolbar become active. You may then click those buttons to toggle the displayed text clockwise or counterclockwise. Click them again to turn it back off. In previous versions, these two buttons were called Angle Text Up and Angle Text Down, but they did perform the same exact function.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.